Acne affects more than a person's appearance. It can take a toll on one's emotional health and knock your confidence. Today, we will be discussing about effective Ayurveda remedies for acne, and joining us is Dr. Shaili Modi, Ayurveda consultant, Vedicure Healthcare and Wellness. Welcome, doctor.
Thank you.
So, doctor, it is a well-known fact that one should build a skincare routine based on the skin type. But how can someone determine their skin type?
Okay. So first of all, I will tell you there are mainly four types of skin. Like it is dry skin, it is oily skin, combination skin, and it is a normal skin. So in dry skin, the T zone and C zone both are completely dry. Your whole face is dry. In oily skin, the completely T zone and the C zone. T zone is our forehead part and this nose and chin. And in normal skin, the skin is normal. It is not extremely dry. It is not extremely oily. But in the combination skin, we have this T part oily and this C zone that is dry. So these are types of skin and how we can determine like what skin type we have. So for that, there is concept of Prakriti in Ayurveda. So it is seen that mostly the the Vat Prakriti people, they have a dry skin. So I will tell you a few points to notice about the skin. You can yourself test at your home if your skin is dry or not. So dry skin people, they have a thin skin. They have cracks in their hands and feet. Also, the skin is very dull. It doesn't have luster, no shining, and the skin is very. So the next is the Pit Prakriti. The Pit Prakriti people have the normal skin. So have a normal skin. There is no excess oil and no excess dryness. We come to the oily skin. In the oily skin, the Kapha Prakriti people have oily skin. Their skin is very much thick and there is lots of oil in the T zone, C zone, overall face, and the face looks very much pale. And those with the oily skin have more tendency for acne and fungal infections. And the combination skin, even they are more prone to these skin diseases and acne. So if you want to determine, you can do one thing. You can wash your face with a normal cleanser, herbal cleanser, and wait for 1 hour in normal room temperature. 1 hour, take a tissue and you have to just dab on your cheeks, nose, and you will see if the tissue is oily, it sticks to your face, then your face is oily. And if it is doesn't have any effect on the tissue, then your skin is normal.
Okay.
So you can have this test and determine your skin type.
Okay, thank you, doctor. That's a very easy tips. So doctor,
Yeah.
acne is a common skin problem, but some people are more likely than others to get it. What is the reason behind this?
Okay. In this, once again, I'm telling it is the skin type. It's upon the skin type. Like the skin, it is we get it naturally. We have a natural skin from the birth. So it depends upon the skin. If your skin is oily and combination, you are having more chances of getting acne and this pimples. And it is the age that is the teenagers, the teen age that is from 13 to 9 years, where this is a puberty age where our bodies are flooded with the hormonal changes. So that is the time where people get more pimples, which may fade with the time, but women, especially because they have menstrual cycle start from those years, so they may carry on this acne further also. And if some people are having bad food habits, so they may likely get this acne.
Or some people also get it like adult acne. It's called adult acne. So what is this and why people get it?
Yeah, adult acne is due to your bad lifestyle, your bad dietary habits, or if you have some diseases like in females, we get acne due to PCOS or any hormone tablets. Many females are taking birth control pills. Even they cause hormonal disturbance. It is the biggest culprit, hormonal imbalance or the acne. So, and this hormonal imbalance we find in adult age. Till teenagers, it is the puberty and the hormone. But after, from the adult age, we find this hormonal imbalance is the greatest and our lifestyle.
And so, how Ayurveda can help those with acne-prone skin? What are the treatment that you would suggest or tips to take care of their skin?
Okay. In Ayurveda, we have lots of herbal treatment. Ayurveda treats any cause of this, any disease from its root cause. So if you are having acne, first we'll find out what is the cause of the acne. It is due to your teenagers, a teen age. It is due to any hormonal imbalance. It is due to your any lifestyle changes, or it is due to your any medications you are taking. So first we'll find out the cause, and depending upon that cause, we will tell you some dietary modifications and some skincare routine will tell you. And we have blood purifying medicines because the skin, it is covered with the pitta dosha, because skin, it has underlying blood in it. So pitta and blood, these both are interconnected. So if your blood is getting impure, you may have skin diseases. So first of all, treatment is cleansing treatment. You purify your blood with the medicines, like with the herbs like Sariva, Manjishta. We have many herbal products in that. Second is our Swedan, that is the perspiration therapy. That is, we remove the toxins through the sweat. So it is a steam therapy. We can give full body steam or a facial steam, just that the pores which are blocked due to the dust, due to bacteria and toxins. So we open up the pores through steam, and we remove out the toxins from the steam. And other treatment is Virechan treatment. Virechan is a detoxment. It is mainly for the pitta dosha, because the main cause of acne is pitta dosha. So that impure imbalance, which we have to bring it out of the body while we are treating the root cause. So in Virechana, that is a Panchakarma detox treatment, where we remove out the imbalance pitta doshas by giving a mild loose motion therapy. Also, we have many Ayurvedic herbal paste which we can apply on our face, and medicines.
Okay. So, doctor, acne is so common that some people take it so lightly. So, when do you suggest people should see a dermatologist or an Ayurveda doctor for treatment?
Okay. Yeah. So if you are having acne and it is just 2 to 3 days, you have noticed a boil or a growth. So if you treat it at home by doing some dietary changes and drinking plenty water, but it doesn't goes off, and you notice that it is increasing, it is spreading to other part of the body, then you don't have to wait for long. You just have to consult as early as possible, because it is due to the that is under heat in your body. So it will, till the time we remove it, the acne are going to spread. According to me, just wait for 2 to 3 days, but do some dietary changes only. Don't go for any products or any home remedies without consulting, because you may end up increasing the acne. So as soon as possible, within 2 to 3 days.
Okay. And so, doctor, many people are also trying natural remedies, especially during this pandemic time. So what are the good remedies for acne-prone skin and the bad home remedies for acne-prone skin?
Okay. For home remedies, you can use besan. We call it besan. Which we can take multani mitti and the masoor dal. These three pastes, we can grind it and we can apply it over our face as face pack. For the dry skin, they can mix water and apply on face. But for oily, they can mix with milk, rose water and apply it. Second, they can use turmeric, they can use they can use lodra powders, they can use neem powder. You have to mix it, you have to add water, you have to apply it. You can simply apply raw milk on your face. Also, you can try for a curd, because curd has citric acid in it, and it kills the bacteria that forms on the open pores. So mix curd with honey and apple. So these are some home remedies you can try, but consult a doctor for that.
And what about the home remedies one should avoid, like one who has acne-prone skin?
Okay. That home remedies means anything. If you are applying oil-based, if your remedy is oil-based, you should avoid it, because acne and anything which is hot in nature, like there are many herbs, but you don't know which herb is hot in potency. You just know it is good for our face. So hot potency herbs and oil-based remedy you should avoid for acne skin.
So it is always good to consult a doctor before you try any home remedies.
Yes, yes, because as skin is the largest organ, it has very good absorbent capacity, and anything you apply, it gets fast absorbed, and it can give a reaction if it is not right for your skin type. So consult a doctor.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much, doctor, for taking out time from your busy schedule and sharing all this insightful information. Thank you, doctor, once again.
Welcome. Welcome.
Okay.